This video is a chair yoga routine. Hi, my name is Jessie. Today we'll be going through a yoga routine that you can do if you are lacking in mobility. I understand that some people are not able to get up and down off of the floor. Some people have trouble standing for long term. And this is something that you can do if you are not able to get up and down regularly. We can start by just centering our feet on the ground, putting our hands on our knees, and we are going to do some seated cat-cow. And this is good for balance. It helps to stretch the back and stretch the neck muscles. We can exhale and slide the hands down the legs, bring the shoulder blades together, open up the chest, let the head fall back. Inhale, slide the hands back down towards the knees, round the spine, pull the belly button in towards the spine, bring the chin to the chest. Inhale, come back, slide the hands back towards you. Open up the chest, shoulder blades come together, elbows come back, head falls back. Exhale, just slide the hands back down, round the chest, pull the belly button in towards the spine. Again. Exhale, just round the spine, slide the hands back down. One more time. Slide the hands towards you, open up the chest. Shoulder blades come together, head falls back. Slide the hands back down the legs, round the spine, chin to chest. Good job. Come back to center. We can twist to the right. Just come to the edge of the chair. Point your big toes forward. Put the left hand on the right knee. Just bring that right hand back behind your hips. Sit up as tall as you can. Engage your stomach and bring the right shoulder back, the left shoulder forward. Just gaze over that right shoulder. Sit up tall on your in-breath. Relax and release on your exhale. Sit up tall on your in-breath. Relax and release on your exhale. Good job. Sit up tall on your in-breath. Relax and release on your exhale. Come back to center. Next, we'll turn to the left. Just bring the right hand to the left knee, sit up tall, bring the left hand back behind you, and look over that left shoulder, bringing the left shoulder back, the right shoulder forward. Inhale, sit up tall, exhale, relax and release. Again. Just stay with your breath, coming back to your breath whenever your mind wanders off. Couple more times. Excellent work. Come back to center. The next thing we're going to do is do some circles with our nose. Just drop our chin to the chest, go to the right side, let the head fall back, go to the left side. Starting off by doing little circles. Listening to our bodies, maybe making the circles bigger as we go. Good job. Then reverse. Go to the left side, let the head fall back. Go to the right side. Making the circles with your nose, maybe starting small and then working your way bigger. Good job. Come back to center. We're just going to drop the head to the right side. Take that right hand, put it on the left side of the head, and gently, gently drop the head down to the side, just observing what's going on here. Is there any pain or tension or tightness? If that feels good. On the exhale, see if you can relax and release a little bit further. Release, switch sides. Drop the head down to the left side. Just take that right hand, put it on the Just take that left hand, put it on the right side of the head. Relax and release into the pose. Good job. Release. Let that hand come back down. Look off to the right side. Lift the right arm up. Just either A, leave that left hand on the chair or let it hang down. We want to get a good side stretch though. Keep the chest lined up with the short side of the mat. Just sink into the pose. Maybe bending that left arm, maybe letting it hang down, whatever you need. Come back, switch sides. Bring that left arm up. Just bend the right arm, sinking into the pose. Good job. Come back to center. Do some shoulder circles. Make them dramatic. Bring them up, around, and back. Bring them up and around and back. Reverse. Observing how the shoulders are feeling. And reverse. Good job. Excellent. Stretch the right leg out. Come to the edge of the chair. Put the left hand on the right leg. On the exhale, we want to keep this right leg straight. You can leave the left leg bent. Just slide that hand on down the right leg. Lift the right arm up. Inhale, come up, engage your stomach to do so. Switch sides, stretch out the left leg. Put the right hand on the left leg, slide it on down as you lift that left arm up. Inhale, come up, engage your core to do so. Again, exhale, slide on down. Bringing that left shoulder forward, the right shoulder back. Inhale, come up. Switch sides. Exhale, slide on down. Inhale, come up. Good job. Next, we can bring the hands, lace the fingers together, bring them back behind the head, and staying on the edge of the chair, we're going to see if we can bring that right knee up to the left elbow. Switch. Right elbow to the left knee. Just moving back and forth. Engage your core as you do so. You can do it. I believe in you. 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. You want to do a few more? We'll do 10 more on each for both sides. Excellent. Good job. I knew you could do it. When you're ready, come back to center. Just bring your hands on your shoulders. Really open up the chest. And we're going to just bring the elbows together. Drop them down. Work to bring them together. Come up. And then bring them back. Good job. Again, one more time. Oh, nice job. Keep the fingers on the shoulders. On the exhale, we're going to turn to the left. Inhale as you turn to your right. Exhale to the left. Inhale to the right. Exhale to the left. Inhale to the right. Exhale to the left. Inhale to the right. Just keep moving with the breath. One more on each side. Good job. Slowly come back to center. Next, we can lace the fingers together. And we're going to flip to turn the palms out. We're going to exhale, push the hands away from you, round the shoulders, bring the chin to the chest. Inhale, come back. Exhale, push away from you. Bring the chin to the chest. Inhale, come back up. Couple more times. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, push away. Inhale, come back up. Good job. Just rest your hands on your knees. Maybe scoot back in your chair. Very nice job. We are going to wrap up today's yoga practice with a short little meditation. So just start by closing your eyes, breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. And check in with your body. How are you feeling? How do you feel after doing this little yoga practice? Do you feel better than you did when you started? Does your back feel better? Does your body feel better? How about your mental well-being? Do you feel better? Staying with the breath, just observing. On your next exhale, just let go. Relax, release. Feel any tension that you have draining out of your body. Feel your shoulders relax. Feel your back relax. Feel your arms and your legs relax and release. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose. Just allowing yourself to stay in the present moment. Not trying to do anything, just allowing yourself to be. Coming back to the breath whenever your thoughts wander off. And whenever you're ready, you can just slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you love this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, share. You can click the notification button. It's like the little bell that'll let you know when other videos that I make come up. And until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.